Hi guys, what's up? See, you guys are just going to pardon me because life has been lifing. I can't remember the last time I put on my camera to vlog, but I have a few clips here and there that I'll just put together for the next vlog, and then after I put out that one, I'll now start vlogging properly. I keep saying this, but by God's grace, see, it's not easy juggling 9 to 5 and doing YouTube. Go and ask people that are doing it. It's not easy, and because I'm not even monetized yet, I got monetized sometime last year, but because I wasn't consistent enough, I got demonetized again. So like the morale is really not there. My channel was really picking up last year, but then life happened, work, stress, family, right? So because of that, like my channel went downhill and I got demonetized. So I'm trying so hard to get monetized again, but life has also been lifing. Yeah, and there's something I'm focusing most of my energy on right now. I'm not ready to share it yet until it has like fully manifested, but very soon I'm going to share it with you guys. So that's what is really taking most of my time, like most of my free time, apart from my 9 to 5. With that being said, my 9 to 5, the other stuff I'm trying to do, and then my YouTube, there's no how I'm going to juggle the three and not break down. Yeah, so like I'm just trying to do my best and put out at least, even if it's one video in a month, so that I will not just like die on YouTube like that, because I've put in so much work on the channel, right? And I don't want it to go like just go down the drain without anything. So you guys should please pardon me if I'm not as consistent as I hope to be, but very soon, like I'm gonna do better, I promise. Okay, so the reason why I even wanted to vlog was because I have like an exhibition. My 9 to 5, we're having an exhibition tomorrow. I'll try and vlog the exhibition. It's supposed to start by 8 a.m, but I'm going to leave my house by 8. Like, we are invited for the exhibition. It's not like we're the ones hosting the exhibition. So if I get there a little bit past 8, it's not a crime. So I'll be at the venue before 9, hopefully. That's what I wanted to clock in, so that when I start filming the exhibition tomorrow, there won't be like a break in transmission. That is why I want to like give you guys a heads up and properly apologize for my absence. So this is me properly apologizing for my absence, and you guys should wish me luck, because this thing I'm really working on, it's supposed to turn my life around. Yeah, so you guys should wish me all the best, and I'll see you tomorrow.
Morning, ma'am.
Morning. What's that? I'll have that.
Just been right.
Maybe with a croissant. Thank you.
So also anytime you need
I like food, so hello, it's my food.
because okay, so you know about sometimes I don't know, I just started I'm like okay.
All right. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
And thank you so much for being here with us for
Thanks
the
for having us.
Power Africa Nigerian Power Sector Program, Growing Green Jobs Career Fair. My name is Habiba Balogun. I'll be one of your MCs today. Along with me is Chinwe Davis. Working with Habiba for the day. Know my voice. So